What is it you're going to do that allows you to be, enables you to be fulfilled? Yeah, fulfilled. What things are you going to do this year that are going to bring about fulfillment, that are going to bring about peace, that are going to mean that you spend more quality time with the people that you love? How are you using the things that you have around you to make the most of what you have? You know, are you going to be writing that book this year? Are you going to print those photographs, or do something, or do that drawing, or set yourself a challenge, or lose the weight? Or what is it you're going to do that allows you to be, enables you to be fulfilled? What is it that you're going to try out that is stepping out of your comfort zone? But then you need to be challenging yourself, and that's how you grow. How are you going to grow? And that's another one of my words this year. Is the overall word that I want to grow in a variety of different areas of my life, and I want to see the results. You know, I've sown the seeds, and I want to see things happen this year, and so that calls for me to be focused. That calls for me to stick to deadlines and show up and be consistent. So think about those things that you need to change. You know, it's no point saying, like, you hear people and they say, oh, I want to be rich. What does that mean? Okay, yeah, you want a lot of money, but how do you think you're going to be rich if you're not doing anything to move the projects that you may have forward? Or do you have any projects that you're moving forward? What is it you're doing? You know, are you just sitting around? Are you, oh, I want to publish that book, but you're not writing. You're not looking at what you currently have and seeing, well, can I shape this?